Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change map display on Google Maps. To change map display on Google Maps, you need to first open your Google Map application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Now here you can see your Google account profile present on the top right. Tap on your Google account's profile. Then here you can see settings option. Tap on settings. Now here scroll down and look for navigation settings. Then tap on navigation settings. Now here scroll down, then here you'll be able to find the option of map display. Now under map display you can choose the color scheme that will appear on your map, whether you want it to be automatic or according to the daylight or night. Similarly, you can choose distance units. That means you can change the unit that will appear on your map when you are traveling. You can set it to be miles, kilometer or automatic according to the place that you are living. Similarly, you can choose if you want to keep your compass north up. That means the compass will always point at north direction when you are traveling. So you can tap on the small notch near Keep Map North Up. With this, you'll be able to change your map display. Now you can go back to your Explore page on Google Maps. Now here you'll be able to find layer icon, that is two rectangles layering on each other on the top right. Tap on the given layer icon. Now here you can also select the map type, whether you want it to be terrain or satellite or according to the default. Similarly, you can choose the map details. You can choose what are the details you want to see on your map specifically. With this, you'll be able to change map display on Google Maps. As you can see here, my map display has been changed. This is how we can change map display on Google Maps. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.